Hi, good morning. Here in this class, let us continue the petroleum refinery process. Because of the petroleum refinery process, let us discuss about what are all the benefits people are getting by the products prepared from the petroleum. So here this picture clearly shows the products of petroleum refining. Here in the process, this process shows the application of the petroleum products. Petroleum has been initially in the form of crude oil. That crude oil has been sent into the furnace. The furnace is shown here. The crude oil has been burned. That means it is heated up to 400 degrees Celsius and more than that. Here in this picture clearly shows the fractions increasing in density and boiling point. When the crude oil is getting heated, the fractions, while the fractions are decreasing, the upper arrow shows that the fractions decreasing in density and the boiling point, and the down arrow shows the fractions increasing in density and the boiling point. From the top, the C1 to C4 mentioned it is in gaseous form. The gaseous form is mainly in the LPG gas. Those are used in the cylinders which we are using in the home appliances. Most of our home are nowadays using the gases instead of burning the coal or coke. In earlier days we were using normal coke for making the food. Nowadays everywhere we are seeing the LPG gas of various companies. The second form, C5 to C9, that is naphthane, those are used in the chemicals. We know the chemicals are used in various applications. The most important form is gasoline, that is petrol, which is used mostly in the vehicles. Our vehicles in India are normally used petrol as the fuel, or sometimes the diesel is used as the fuel. It is heated up to 120 degrees Celsius. When we are heating the crude oil up to 120 degrees Celsius, we are getting the petrol or diesel. If we increase the heat up to 170 degrees Celsius, it will be in the form of C10 to C16. It is in the form of paraffin oil, which is used in aeroplanes. Jet fuel paraffin for lighting and heating. This is used in the aeroplanes. Aeroplanes petrols are getting different from the normal vehicles on the road. When we are heating up to 270 degrees Celsius, that is C14 to C20, that becomes diesel oil, and the diesel fuels are from those conditions. After that, we are getting the lubricating oils, waxes, polishes by heating more degrees Celsius, like 300 to 400 degrees Celsius. When we are heating up to 600 degrees Celsius, that is C20 to C70, we are getting the fuels for ships, factories and central heating purposes. The bottommost conditions, that is like bitumen for roads and roofing, will be received by heating more than 600 degrees Celsius. Thus, we are getting the various products of petroleum in the refinery by heating the crude oil. Thank you so much for listening patiently.